Okay guys, so today we're working on the 1969 Opel GT again. And I got a Weber carburetor from this guy on opelgt.com. And it's really nice, the Weber 36 carburetor. It's really nice condition. We're gonna hopefully install it today on the GT. And we also put a new water pump on it, which let me know if you want me to make a video of that. We're gonna take off the original Solex and put the Weber on it. And yeah, and then we're gonna work with my Polaris snowmobile a little bit. It's way over there. And yeah, we'll get to work on this and I'll show you guys what we're gonna do. Okay guys, so the next step we have to do is put the carburetor back on it. We did a lot. We got these gaskets working. We had to put another gasket on here. This is from the Solex carburetor that was in between this thing and that thing. So we took that out of there, still in decent condition, and we stuck it on there, and we cut away this middle part. And then I trimmed down this gasket underneath it. I trimmed that down to make that fit nice on the Weber carburetor because it's a little bit, the Weber carburetor is kind of big, so you have to make that. And then I guess you call it ported. I ported the intake right there. As you guys can see, it was sticking way out like here, so that should give us maybe extra horsepower or two. That should give us a few more ponies, I guess. And so I did that with a air powered Dremel tool thingy from you hook it up to the air compressor. I did that. It took me about 20-30 minutes. It's totally worth it though. It looks really nice. I brazed it. I learned how to braze today by doing this part. And my grandpa brazed the other half of it, and I brazed the other half. It looks really nice. We cut it, and we cut a 1/2 inch off of it, and then brazed it together, made like a sleeve, and brazed it. So that looks really nice. And hopefully that should work. And then, let's see here. Yeah, it's supposed to go like that. It's supposed to be like that. There we go. And then, oh yeah, we also got a new distributor cap from Rock Auto, but we don't know if it's the right one or not. We don't know if it's the right distributor cap, so we have to figure that out yet. And we have to put the carburetor on it next, and we'll see if it fires up. We actually drove this thing out here with the original Solex carburetor. It didn't want to start. We had to squirt gas in it, and then we had to really floor it, and then it finally wanted to start. But it drove out of there, so we'll have to try out this Weber carburetor and yeah, see if it works any better. We still don't know what to do about a cold air intake yet. We want to do that. And I might be getting a set of headers for an Opel GT. I might put on this one, I'll see. But I might be getting some from a guy. And then, yeah, I don't know. I'll be back once we get this thing running. I'll be back to show you guys it. There we go. Okay guys, now we're going to try to start the new Weber carburetor on the Opel and see if it blows up or something. I don't know. Am I at the pulpit? Okay. That works. How many times should I pump it?
Oh, a couple on this car.
Couple?
See what happens.
So nice. Okay, let's crank it.
Wait. Pump it some more. You got the gas up there, right?
What?
The gas pump?
Yeah, oh, I pumped like 20 times.
Yeah, okay. Pump it more. Pump it more. Alright, I turned that. I should have turned that. Wait a minute. That was a mistake, turning the choke thing here.
Oh, he turned it down? The idle?
Yeah, I didn't want it to go 50 miles an hour.
We're gonna take on a drive, guys. There we go. Dash cam. That's a lot more power! Holy cow! Okay. Oh guys, this thing has a lot more power. Holy crap. Holy crap. Ooh, what's that? Okay, sick. Oh, wow. This thing has a lot more power, guys. Sorry for the horrible camera quality. I don't have my tripod's inside my grandparents' house. Oh my gosh, it's muddy right there. Oh jeez. I didn't know it was this muddy. Ooh. I could drift it, but I don't want to wreck the car. Oh geez, almost just drifting it, just cruising. Holy god, okay. Whoa. Okay, whoa. I don't want to get stuck right here. But, oh geez, it's really muddy right there. Oh geez, it's really muddy right there too. Really watery. Don't hit the beams either. Don't hit the barn. Oops. It's so muddy right here. Oh my gosh. Runs so good, guys. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely amazing. It's not quite warmed up yet all the way. Oh my gosh, this like drifts so good, guys. I was just drifting it, just lightly turning the wheel. This thing turns so sharp too, guys. Literally crazy. Need to turn it off. Whew. Almost warmed up. Let's see how fast this thing can go in a circle. Woo! Woohoo! Let's see how fast I can go in a circle. That's how fast I'm going in the circle, guys, without drifting. Holy crap, dude. This thing is so much freaking fun. Holy crap. Dang, this thing runs great. No bogging. No bogging right now. Look at this. It usually bogs when I rev it like that. It's really muddy back there. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize there'd be that much standing water. It's right there, Grandpa, right back there. It's like really watery. So, holy cow, Grandpa, this thing runs amazing. Like, look at that. That thing runs awesome, guys. There's a clicky clack of the electric fuel pump. That's another video of us installing that. Holy cow, guys. You guys should totally do a rubber carburetor swap. Wow. Four-wheeler. Yeah, Grandpa, this thing didn't bog once. It didn't bog once at all. I was driving around in circles, it was running great. Man, oh, guys, I love this thing. Uh-oh. Did you make the idle go down too low, or? Here, I'll start it up. Here, I'll put the GoPro back here. Okay, GoPro, there you are. Alright guys, here we go. Awesome. Yay! Got it idling good. Oh yeah, so we ported the head. I think that's why it runs so good. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, we just did a lot of stuff to this thing. Yeah, and tomorrow we're going to autocross. We're not going to autocross though. We're just going to go. I'll probably make some videos of that maybe. What are you doing, Grandpa? On the what? On what are you trying to do?
Trying to look for leaks.
Oh, on the gasket? Yeah. Yeah, we don't know if the gasket's leaking or anything, guys. We have no idea. This thing's never run this good, though. Like, I was going around circles like 15, 20 mile an hour. That thing was like steadily, like the whole time. Like, and whenever I'd punch it, it never bogged or anything. This thing has way more power. I can definitely feel it. Whenever it's reversing it, it was like, wow. Oh my gosh. That tire really bad? The air low? Sheesh. Guys, I'm taking a drive in the Opel. New Weber carburetor on it, seeing how good it goes. The flat spot is really bad. Hat almost flew off there, jeez. Pretty good.
It feels good.
Yeah. What's that flat spot? Just really bad?
Tire?
Is it? Well, it was better before though, I thought. It wasn't as bad though. Ooh, jeez. Rocks.
Flying off your tires.
Oh, really? Or rust falling. Bondo. 40 mile an hour. That's like the fastest we've gone in this thing.
Faster than that before.
We have? We go 50 one time?
Almost.
Almost 50. Brakes are pretty good, aren't they? Yeah, I like the brakes. Huh? Shift's good too. Shift's fast, smooth. We're in second right now. There's third. Shift's really good. Yeah, transmission feels really nice. Feels better than before. We're going to Grandpa's friend's house. That flat spot is really bad. I'm gonna have to check that out. Ride's pretty nice, it's not too bumpy. It's kind of bumpy now, but... Okay, I want to end this and then pick it up whenever we drive back home. And now we're going back home, guys. Where's the cat? Kitty cat.
I want to make a side trip here.
Okay. That's fine. see at the cemetery.
We'll see if they weed whacked it. They did.
Weed whacked it.
I can see the grass growing.
Oh. Huh.
Anything coming?
Nope, nobody coming.
They go too fast to me.
This thing?
Yeah.
Why?
The idle set too high. I don't know.
Huh.
Seems like it's going fast. Sounds real good, Sam.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. Tire's getting better. It's not as bad as before. Firebird. It's definitely better, wow. These brakes are awesome, guys. We put all new brakes from Rock Auto. They're working pretty good. We don't have power brakes yet, though. But still, they're pretty nice. Aren't the brakes pretty good for no power brakes?
They're pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty strong.
Second gear. Third gear, I'm pretty sure. Wish the tachometer was working, but oh well. 45 mile an hour. That's a lot better at tire, man. At 50, woo! Wow, those brakes really work good. Well, that's really bumpy at low speeds, man. Oh, it kicked down. That's good. It kicked down, Grandpa. It's like, I wonder if that means it. I don't know. Speedometer's pretty floaty. It's going crazy right now.
Now, is that oil pressure? Is that the oil
I don't know.
light, or is that the ammeter light?
Oil pressure light.
Maybe
I don't-
possibly rev it up a little bit.
What? Yeah, I don't even know if that thing works right. People say that the sender units are really bad, so I don't even know if that works. Smoking a little bit. Wonder how much how much transmission fluid we lost.
I want to adjust the carburetor idle a little bit.
This carburetor?
Put it away.
Okie dokie. Just that. Just this. Just that in there. Oh! Oh! Okay, guys, so yeah, I'll probably end the video with this. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.